Boy. I wanted to make this video just for my journal thing or whatever, but I might as well just record me going over some of this data and whatnot, just to maybe watch the video and rewatch it and learn for myself and what the fuck not. You feel me? Maybe some people will watch this and see this too, or any fucking ways. So as right now, I'm going over this trade from September 3rd, or these trades from September 3rd, looking at both ES and NQ. So let's go over this real quick. So this is over my regular standard entry model, which I'm trying to, I guess, optimize, go over data, review and whatnot, see what I can better see why this, etc., etc. You feel me? So boom. Let's just go ahead and go over that and whatnot. So yeah, September 3rd. September 3rd, there was this first trade, which also appeared on ES and whatnot, where it was SMT, so we didn't really sweep anything, and this is the entry model. Now, the entry model wasn't, it wasn't bad. I don't think it was that bad, to be honest. There's SMT, sweep, whatever, tap into the fair value gap, and then just ran through, right? I'm going NQ here, the first trade on September 3rd, where, we swept, oops. This looks kind of shit, but I guess we just inverse the 4 hour. Right here's 4 hour fair value gap. We're delivering from this area of, area of just fucking delivery. Call it a 15-minute. It only swept out this area kind of right here. Fuck. This area right here, just this liquidity sweep. SMT, SMT ES over there. So, and it took out liquidity, this high right here that already took out this liquidity, which it's something I should note down too. Sweeps of liquidity where a low slash high already took out liquidity, drawn liquidity or whatever. Now this is usually just notes or whatever I'm kind of putting on here. Let's see if I see a, oh, fuck me. If I see a pattern here or not. But yeah, okay. I don't think the entry model was that bad. I guess it was just more of a bias thing here. And you'll see why in a minute. So this, from what it seems like, yeah, this high right here, that quote unquote got swept or whatever, right? You're gonna get the entry model, which I'll show you in a bit. Already took out these highs over here in this area. This is imbalance right here. What I learned from Dodgy is that he doesn't like to trade off of areas where there's a high that already took out, somewhere you would expect it to already get taken out. So like for instance, let's say like we get a model off of this, right? And like we took out this area already because we already took out this area with this high, and it resweeps that high to take out this area. It makes it like I guess shit, and I think Dodge doesn't like that, and it's something I learned from him. So maybe that's also the case of my stuff as well, because obviously this was a fucking loss, and maybe something I can cut the fuck out. You feel me? So into the entry as well. I don't think it was that bad. Boom, boom, bang, bang. This could have been way better. How like you just respect this and then inversed it. But again, they respected the fair value gap and then went down lower. We could just see a dump of this. This isn't even a right stop loss. It's supposed to be all the way up here. I don't know what the fuck that is. But yeah, so that was not the best. Liquidity. It wasn't. TP size. That's SMT. Oh, let's look at that. Okay, apparently it looks like ES already hit a TP and made an SMT to the downside, maybe? I love when I make notes for myself. What the fuck was the TP here? I think it was probably like maybe London Lows or some shit. What? Okay, anyways, but so that trade where we took out a high already, and or this area right here, and we try to take a sweep off of this area that already got the fuck out of this area, right? I need a name for that. I can't think of a name. I forgot what people call it, but let's just call it a shitty high. Fuck it, or a shitty sweep. So that compared to this next trade, same day, same session, same kill zone, same entry model, right? That compared to this is way different. Let's check out this trade. This trade went higher, so same day by the way, right? So that 4 hour inverse or whatever, but this short actually played the fuck out. So on the 4 hour recap, tapped into what the fuck is this? What? I don't know what the fuck I'm looking at, bro. In lie. What the shit? Tripping, bro. There you go. That's better. Oh, look at that. This one. Oh, this is sexy as shit. I didn't even work it out fully here, but this area, right? I already got taken out, and try to trade off this versus this next area right here is way different. This area is where all this low resistance gets taken out. Boom, bang. There's a 1 hour BPR. Is this 1 hour time frame? 1 hour BPR is a very sexy area right here. This BPR, SMT as well, and this high got taken out. And it's for like it was unmitigated. This BPR was unmitigated. So, high time from OT as well. I didn't even mention that part either. That trade compared to the other trade makes complete sense to why this short played out better than the first short. Let's go lower time frames. That's so sexy. This looks insanely sexy. Wow. Look at that. Boom. Target this fucking random ass low. Maybe it's not random. It's like a London low, I think. 3 something like that. Something like that. I guess, is there an unmitigated 4 hour to the downside? Oh yeah, let's look at that. There was. Pretty sure there was an unmitigated 4 hour to the downside. Wow, let's look at that, Timmy. Won't you look at that? That's not bad at all. Oh, my days, mate. Took it out. Same entry model. Break structure. Inverse for like respect. Tapped into. Down close. Boom. Execute. Wow. That played insanely fucking well. Just off of the zone to enter off of. The fucking. Just off of the sweep. And this kind of shows how important a sweep is. Having narrative your trade or whatever. Because these two compared side by side are very completely different trades from what I'm seeing. I'm dang near finding that shit out myself right now as well. Until it's played out. Gosh dang, motherfucker. This could have aimed for that 4 hour gap. Did it even tap it? Yeah, I think was that unmitigated? Pretty sure it is. Yeah, that's a pretty crazy trade. And it's cool seeing how price moves there. Okay, yeah. I wrote it down. Times. Shitty ass notes, but you know what I'm saying. I feel like it's like obvious shit, but there's key. This like shit I already know. I'm supposed to kind of know, like, of course, narrative. You need a narrative and bias in your trading, right? You can't just fucking. Anyways, well, let's go to the next trade or whatever. Might as well just finish this session off. Boogers. I didn't do that so I can like remind myself whatever fucking however long this video is. That like that's the end part for this section or whatever the fuck. for my little thing. I don't know how long this is. Whatever. We'll figure it out. We'll fucking figure it out. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next. Let's see what the fuck we got next. Boom. Wednesday, September 3rd. September 4th. It's a win for both trades. Both pads, both trades. Boom, 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 boom. Where do we have to yep. Since. Check it out. Let's check this fucker out. That is pretty fucking sexy, I ain't gonna lie. That is very sexy. This whole thing just looks super sexy. Wow. Wow. That is a... Gonna take this, I don't know. Asian Equilibrium. SMT, oh my fuck. Wow. That is, pretty important. What a fucking video, because this shows, like, yeah, like, in my head, I don't think this is a quote-unquote sexy trade just off the entry model alone. Thing is, you stupid idiot faggot, is, something I kind of also put over here is, where it is? Where the fuck is it? Yeah, some entry models, even if they look not the best, take them. Yes, bitch. So from what I'm seeing so far, yes. Yes, so far. Like, in my head, I'm like, oh, entry model. But if it's really valid entry model, as long as it's still a data entry model, I guess. As long as it's a data entry model, and it fits the narrative and bias really well. Take it. Yep. Note that down. It's pretty sexy, bro. I ain't gonna lie. It's pretty fucking... That's in... Oh, I remember this trade. I was being a pussy about it, too. I could've... Oh, my... I remember this shit, bro. That shit was crazy. I was like, oh, it's so tight, though. We always fear value ups to the downside. Shut the fuck up, Timmy! Shut the fuck up! Oh, that shit's crazy. Oh, my gosh. I could even have the stop loss bigger if I was trying, you know... Not be a fucking pussy, but I remember I was like, oh gosh. I remember in that moment I was like, oh, stop loss too tight. Fucking annoying. Let's see this one too. Just cause why not? Oh my gosh. On what? On ES we took out equal lows for SMT, and then this is kind of like AMD. Fuck it. Oh my gosh, bro. Look at all this. What the fuck? Crazy. Wow. Okay, let's move on, shall we? This was chopping at 4 p.m. Orange Forward. It's fine. This entry's low-key ass. Valencia then get a trade discretionally or something. But even then, on the 5-minute, we just with the 5-minute for value gap. The shorts would have been more of a fundamental play. Details in the YouTube video. Once I made a video about this shit, I'm about to go over it, so I'm about to end this video here. He has to have shit. Let's see this. Let's see how fucking. Let's see if this bad or not. Reaching all time highs. Took out this insane fucking draw liquidity right here. I guess, crazy SMT it looks like. What the fuck type of short is this? Bro, what the fuck am I looking at? What made this, okay, I'm trying to figure out what made this level so, such a good area to be taking a short off of, though. It's a high fair value, what is that, was it a 1 hour fair value yet? I guess it's a 15 minute, it's probably a 15 minute, to be honest. Let's fucking zoom in, shall we? It's probably a 4 hour, 1 15 minute. Maybe even a day, who knows? Respected it. I think it was a 15 minute. Respected 15 minute perfectly, nicely. Let's see his entry models. It wasn't bad. I don't think I'll take it because it's a short off all time highs. But even then, those work a lot, honestly. Okay, what made this narrative play like that though? Because you could just make my continuation, but there's like hella sell side low key. Yeah. Oh wow, that does look like shit. This would not be a trade I'll take. To be honest, I don't think I have much I don't know. It's data, but it's just that's fucking crazy. This house looks and shit. It's fucking insane. Like we made the inverse here, pro structure to the upside and shit here, and then made further back out here, respect it, and then break the structure right here. The bias and the sweep wasn't that sexy in my opinion. That's insane. Fuck. I mean, this was the shit played out. So I mean, I don't know. I don't think that looks very sexy. I wouldn't think that's valid, to be honest. I need to go ahead and watch the video here, so I'm in this fucking thing.